Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on high quality video uploads when you use mobile data and Wi-Fi on your account on X Twitter. Easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings and privacy. Now click accessibility display and languages. Now click data usage, and here as you see you will find it high quality image, high quality video uploads, and click mobile data and Wi-Fi, and it will be saved. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.